All right, so my driveway is clear, but the streets are not clear. Now, I cleared that truck right there, the GL550, the silver one, just because I anticipate driving. I have somewhere I need to be. But this snow is coming down faster than I can really keep up with getting this driveway clean. So I can only imagine what the roads are like. By the way, I cleaned this driveway 4 times because it kept accumulating. By the time I got finished with it, it was about 1/2 inch. So I just got finished again, and we see it's still coming down. I don't know. Is it worth what I'm about to do? I guess I'm about to find out. What am I doing? What am I doing? I am driving in this weather. I don't know if this is a snowstorm, but there's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. The roads have been partially, cleared, but the snow is coming down so fast it can't really keep up. But there's a lot of snow. This was kind of unexpected. Well, I would say I didn't anticipate this much snow. You know how they say possibly an inch, then it winds up being like 5 inches. Maybe that's about what this is. I cleaned out the cars in the driveway. It was a lot of snow, probably about 5 inches. But it's still coming down. And it's supposed to snow till about 2 o'clock. Yeah. And what time is it now? 11. So it's a lot more snow coming down. I don't know if this is smart. I don't know. Part of me just loves driving in like dramatic conditions. But look at that accident right there. You see that? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't go this way. See, here goes the thing. Just because I enjoy driving in conditions like this doesn't mean it's good to drive in conditions like this. The reason why is because everyone doesn't share the same confidence when driving in such conditions. Everyone car, vehicle, whatever, is not necessarily prepared for conditions like this. Neither is the driver. If you see right there, looks like somebody slid off the road. Looks like there might have been a little accident there. Well, whoops. All right. Well, I don't know. You might ask yourself, where the heck am I going to want to be driving around in this condition? I'm starting to second guess my decision to even leave and pursue this little journey. I might just turn around. I don't think it's worth an accident because I can't even see my turnaround. Oh gosh. How about I just turn around? Follow some tracks and get out of here. This is a dead mission here. The roads are very unprepared. There's a lot of people sliding around. I'm just observing. It might be in my best interest to just chop this one up and go back home. It's coming down too fast. Well, that was fun. Till next time.